Yes, Mr. Peters.
May it please, Your Honour, Peters. I'm appearing as duty lawyer. There will be no applications made, sir, and for the sake of clarity, there will be no application for bail, no application for the suppression of the defendant's name. I'm simply seeking a remand through to the High Court for the next available hearing date, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Please, Your Honour, Counsel, my name is Burtis. I appear for the police. As signalled earlier, sir, seeking an order for interim suppression of the named victim in the charging document under the Criminal Procedure Act. And the submission is that it would cause undue hardship to that victim's family at this early time.
Thank you.
There is also one other administrative matter I wish to just briefly raise with the court, sir.
Yes.
The charging document, as it's been filed, has missed off a section of the Crimes Act. I just seek leave to add section 167 of the Crimes Act. And that is all the amendment that is sought at this stage, sir.
Okay, thank you.
No objection on my behalf, sir.
You are Brenton Harrison Tarrant. Mr. Tarrant, you are remanded without plea. Next appearance will be in the Christchurch High Court on 5 April 2019 at 9:15 a.m. I've noted that you're not making an application to be admitted to bail. I've also noted that you're not making any application for suppression of publication of your name or of any particular that could lead to your identification. I do, however, make an interim order until the date of the next appearance, suppressing publication of the name of the named victim or of any matter that could lead to that person's identification. That interim order is made on the grounds that otherwise there could be undue hardship to the victim's family. On that basis, Mr. Tarrant, you are remanded in custody until 5 April at 9:15.
May it please, Your Honour.
As Your Honour, please stand down in custody.